If you're trapped in a soul-crushing 9 to 5, watching your life tick away one miserable minute at a time, stick around. What if I told you there's a way to escape, a path to help you break free and create something that you control and own? Imagine waking up every morning excited to work on something you love, something that gives you control over your time and your money. Today, I'm going to share that plan with you. I made it after getting fired from my corporate job. I based it on what I've learned over the past 8 years. It's called the 6 Figs Framework, and it's your blueprint to freedom. Not too long ago, I was stuck in the same boring routine. Picture this: driving 33 miles one way, sitting in an office for 8 hours, and counting down the minutes until I left. My paycheck wasn't worth it, and I knew I had so much more to give. I was tired, I was bored, as if I was wasting my potential. Each day felt monotonous, and I kept wondering if this was truly all there was. Over the past 8 years, I've worked with people who have made 6, 7, and even 8 figures. I saw what worked and, more importantly, what didn't. I took their lessons. I figured out their success. The key was a clear plan and a system that worked for you. I used all that knowledge to create a plan, and that plan helped me build a business around my skills and gain real financial freedom. And today, I'm going to be sharing it with you because I know how powerful it can be. It helps you go from boring job to a successful online course business. It will give you the freedom you want only if you apply it. Now, let me break it down step by step so you can see how each part works together to create something amazing. The first part, strategy. You need a plan. You wouldn't build a house without a drawing, right? It's the same for your business. We need to know what you want, why you want it, and how you're going to get there. It's a simple plan that matches your vision and gives you a crystal clear path. This isn't about dreams. It's about making a plan you can follow. The second piece, identify. Who do you want to help? Who is your dream customer you want to serve every day? You find out who your perfect customer is, figure out what they need, and make an offer they can't say no to. This isn't about selling. It's about helping people solve their problems. The third piece, experience. You need to create an experience that makes people want more. From the first time they see you to the time they become your biggest fans, you must make sure they feel special. It's not about the product, it's about how you make them feel. Every step of the journey should be amazing. The fourth is the funnel build. Now, we need a system to show your offer to the right people. Think of it like the engine of your business, the thing that keeps everything moving. You need a sales funnel that attracts people and helps them trust you, eventually turning them into buyers. This is where we put your plan into action to reach your perfect customers. The fifth step is invest. To grow, you need to invest. Whether it's tools, ads, or hiring additional help, we need to make your money work for you. No wasted effort, just smart moves to push your business forward. And I'll guide you when and where to invest to make those best choices. The sixth piece is growth. With a good foundation, it's time to grow. I use proven methods to get more leads, close more sales, and grow businesses. Growth isn't about getting more customers. It's about making sure you can grow without burning out. The seventh and final piece, scale. This is where we take everything you've built and make it bigger. More time, more money, more freedom. Scaling is about taking what works and doing more of it so you can have real freedom. Whether it's more time with your family, traveling the world, or feeling secure, that's what it's all about. We're going to build a business that fits the life that you want. Now, this isn't an idea. I've used these exact steps myself, and I've seen them work for others again and again. And the best part, you don't have to start from scratch. If you're ready to stop feeling stuck in your job and finally take control of your life, this plan will get you there. Now, imagine waking up every day with a true purpose, knowing that everything you do is building your future, not making more money for somebody else. Stay tuned for some upcoming videos. I'm going to take you guys on a deep dive through each step, making it all simple, including all the tech. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let's take this journey together. Your freedom starts here. It starts today.